Good day, folks. Another S Group Daily Review video number 150. Creeping up on these videos, 150 videos, damn. But thanks for everyone that's been following me and all the new followers and all the followers from back in the day. I really appreciate that. Get a lot of feedback, so I really appreciate you guys. So yeah, video one number 150. A lot has changed since the last video I did about a week ago, guys. As you remember, I had a bunch of money up here in the top right, around $815 or so. I gave $800 to a member. He basically sent me the funds through email, and I transferred them into my checking account. And then through the back end here, I sent him $800, so he has $800 in his account, which I noticed he did reinvest because I got actually a commission off that, which explains why this went from like 14, $15 up to $70.14. And I got some commissions from another user as well. Reinvesting the profits that they made off of him reinvesting because they made bonus. So yeah, it's real interesting. So so with that being said, guys, we got our earnings. Today's Sunday, so we earn on the Forex market Monday to Friday. So I got earnings on Friday. We did pretty good. Let's see what it says here. So we made 0.32% here, guys, and that actually comes out to $72.15 that I made profit. If you add this amount and this amount together, it comes out to $72.15. So yeah, moving right along here, guys. If I look at my investment here and go back to the investments page, you can see my investment here right now is 16 days because this is the last time I did activity on my investment. Basically, this was $600. I made an $800 investment from my last month's earnings and reinvested it and combined both of those. So 800 plus 600 is 1400. So 16 days has passed. So I'm about halfway there into the end of the current cycle, which it looks like it's around the 16th of the month. Every 16th of the month is when the funds will jump up to the top right here, guys, and I'll have access to them. So just think, in 16 days, I've made $856.43. And this currency, SWCT, it's equivalent to U.S. currency. It's 1 to 1. So this is basically U.S. currency. I made $856.43 in 16 days, guys. So just think about that. That is incredible. And I'm only invested in the normal Forex, S4X, which is low risk, low reward. This is the one that's been around with companies since it was launched to the public in 2018. I joined 2018. I joined in 2020. That's right, because it was in beta testing, I think 2017 into 2018, so maybe late 2018 is when it was open to the public. So. But yeah, as you can see, they've grown. They have a lot of different areas that you can invest your money in. It's really up to you. These other Forex platforms here, they are more like this is medium risk, medium reward. This is high risk, high reward. So, I mean, it's really up to you. I'm sticking with the S4X probably till I get about, I would say 50,000. But I think I'm just going to take maybe half months of my earnings and start getting at the optimal. Because I noticed with the Forex Optimal, with this one, the minimum investment is 2,000. So, say for example, if I make say I don't know, if I'm at 50,000, I should be making around 4 or 5 grand a month. So let's just say I make $4,000. I would take 2,000 of that, put it in here, take another 1,000, put into regular Forex. Or actually, no, I would probably just leave regular Forex. I would probably take just 2,000 or 3,000 in here, take out 1,000 if I made 4,000 as an example. So that's kind of what I'm going to be doing. Probably won't be till like next year this time, because I'm going to start either this month or next month. I'm going to start putting 1,000 every month into S4X to really keep it growing. So anyways, guys, just wanted to give you this 5-minute daily review video to get you up to speed with how my account's doing. I appreciate all the feedback and all the emails for everyone out there. If you're looking to be a part of this passive income opportunity where you can just make, passive income with not really doing much, just having money invested in the system. Like I said, I've made $856.43 in 16 days, guys, just by leaving the money in here. Click on the sign up link down below this video that you can sign up to S Group and join my team. And also don't forget to click the subscribe button down below in the video so that way you can subscribe to my channel. You can see all the updates and progress of my account and my journey here with S Group. So with that being said, we'll see you guys in the next video, and take care.